Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to create a stepped drill down report with Subtotal by using a report wizard in Ssrs. For that I am using a table called product details table in which I have the particular columns like country, salesperson name, product name, number of items sold, sold price. So this is like India and USA are the country names which I have used here, and the salesperson name and how many products they have sold and what is their sold price. Here this report is going to look like, let me explain you, this is how this drill down option, I have already explained you how to create a step drill down option in a previous video. Here I am going to use this subtotal option, like how to this India, what how many total number of items sold. This is just called subtotal, how much, this is the individual's number of items which they have, the each salespersons have sold, and this is the total number of items what they have sold. So for calculating this subtotal, so how I am going to create a new report and how I am going to use this subtotal option, I am going to explain you over here. For that I am going to use a new project. So I'm going to create a new report server project wizard, and I'm going to give this name as a subtotal underscore drill down for product. So this is the project name I'm going to create here, and this I'm going to create my data source, from which data source I'm going to copy this data and creating that report. So I'm copying my server name and I'm going to paste over here. My server is an SQL Server authentication, so I have to give this credentials. So I have given the user ID and password, and I am going to select my database from which that table is created. So again here I am giving my data, so user ID and password, and here I am going to write the query like select star from product, which table I am going to take the data. So next my next table at one, here which group, like country, I want a group by stepped one I am going to create. So this one group in this I want this group. I have already explained in previous videos about how to page, what is a page wise and group wise how it's going to divide and how it's going to create. So next details, I want all the details. So next minus step report. Here if you want to step report, here what is the option, but enable drill down means what have shown you, like how it's going to look drill down, and include subtotals means we will get those subtotals. So next, and preview report, finish. See, the report is created. Here I have to give my credentials, data source, user ID and password. So this is how it's going, like India, number of subtotals, like total subtotals, like for each one how much number of items has been sold. See, computer 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So this is all going to be going to 11, and this is all going to be, it's going to be added like total how much the price they have from India region, like this is a region like USA, how much the total items are sold. So in those kinds of situations we can see this, you use this subtotals option. So if you want to change the look and feel of this table, you already in previous videos I have explained, like by changing colors or alignment or everything, like if you want to select, say, text box properties, this and all, for alignment, font, fill. So no color, now I'll fill something like green, yellow. So okay, see, you can see. So this is how, if you want to change the property, like how it's going to look and kind of that, and we can use this. So view report, you can see over this like how it's going to look like. So this is how this subtotal option is explained over here, and it's going to be looking like this here. So if you like, this is what the subtotal option is used over here in this drill down option. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for listening.